Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change a GMC Sierra headlight bulb using an easy method. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. It is also important to wear clean gloves to prevent oils from your skin from touching the new bulb, which can shorten its lifespan. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the hood is open before you begin. To access the headlight bulb, begin by removing the plastic shroud located over the radiator support. Use your trim removal tool to carefully detach the approximately 10 to 12 plastic push clips that secure it. Some models may also require you to loosen two 7mm screws on the trim panel beneath the headlight. For easier access, especially on the passenger side, you might find it helpful to temporarily remove the airbox assembly. Now let's remove the old bulb. Locate the protective cap on the back of the headlight assembly and twist it counterclockwise to remove it. Then, gently twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its locking tab and pulling it away. When installing the new bulb, connect it to the electrical harness, align the tabs, and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Remember not to touch the glass. With the new bulb installed, it's time to reassemble everything. First, reinstall the protective cap onto the back of the headlight assembly, twisting it clockwise until it is snug. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its position, ensuring it aligns correctly. Secure any bolts or clips that you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm that the new bulb is functioning properly before closing the hood. You've successfully changed your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.